A warm welcome to all students of Daud Boy Fazal Boy Primary School, B Ward Standard 2nd. Now observe this picture, students. Can you tell me what do you see in this picture?
Santa Claus, Christmas tree, snow.
Yes. Now, while watching this picture, which festival it is? Can you tell me which festival it is?
It is Merry Christmas.
Yeah, it is Christmas festival. Yeah? Okay. So today's topic is in composition, English composition subject and topic is Christmas. So let's discuss about Christmas festival. Christmas is a famous festival that gets celebrated by Christians. Christians celebrate this festival on the 25th of December. Jesus has born on this beautiful day of Christmas, which is why people celebrate this day as a festival. Christians celebrate Christmas organizing different events and shows and inviting near ones. People make numerous delicious at Christmas. The cultural festival named Christmas requires numerous preparation and decorations. People receive a break from hassle life on Christmas holiday where they can celebrate the occasion together. Decoration of the house starts in the early morning. However, the celebration begins in the evening with the entire family. Many people shop together for collecting the same outfits. Now, let's revise something about Christmas, students. Christmas is a very important festival for the Christians. Christmas is celebrated all across the 25th of December. It is the birth anniversary of the great Jesus Christ. People believe that Jesus Christ was sent to the earth to save mankind people. People decorate their homes and churches with electric bulbs. Now let's come on sing the poem, student. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bell,
Jingle bell, jingle on the way.
Santa Claus is coming around riding on the sleigh. Hey, jingle bell. Okay, this poem is nice poem na? You enjoyed?
Yes.
Okay, now students, we wish you a Merry Christmas. May Christmas bring joy to your heart and happiness to your home. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, students. Thank you and have a nice day.